Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for being here today. Today we have our Fabfitfun beauty edit box, so let's get into it and check it out. Fabfitfun Beauty Edit Box is fairly new on this scene. It is a subscription box that comes monthly from Fabfitfun. You do not have to be a Fabfitfun box member to sign up for this box. You can just sign up for this box. You'll have 4 full-size products chosen from a selection, usually a choice of 3 in each for each one, and it is $29.99. So in here we have my 4 choices for the March box. This is my March box. So let's get into it and see what I chose. When we open it up, this is what it looks like. Beauty box, ooh la la. So when we open it up, we have our Hello Fresh, and that's really our only paperwork in here. And then my 4 choices. I have my iPad here in case we want to look up more information on anything that we open it. Big and up top. Each year at Christmas, every single year, my daughter loves the Pharmacy, the Green Clean Cleansing Balm. This doesn't work great for my super sensitive skin, but it's simply because my skin is crazy sensitive. My daughter, who has much more normal skin than I do, chooses this and probably has for 3 or 4 years, I would say easily, puts this, the big one, on her Christmas list. And I get it for her every year. The other choices, I'll go ahead and tell you, the other choices in this category were not perfect for me either. So I was like, yeah, that is perfect for her. Although we're only in March and I did get her one at Christmas. Actually, I got her 2 because there was also a Wicked set. Not the point. She'll get to it. And the other choices in choice 1, and it's the same for everybody. I say my choices, but everybody gets the same choices. We had the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow PHA and BHA Pore Tight Toner. And if you guys watch the channel, you know I can't use PHAs and BHAs. Any kind of acid or anything eats my face right off with my sensitive skin. And the other choice was the Supergoop Unseen Sunscreen SPF 50, and I use mineral sunscreens, not chemical sunscreens. So this was absolutely the best choice. It will be perfect for my daughter. If you guys have never used this, it is your first cleanse generally when you, I'll open it up and show it to you, when you do your evening cleanse. I mean, I guess you could do it in the morning if you're like me and sometimes forget to take off your makeup at night. That's not what we're focused on right now. When you do your cleanse at night to take your makeup off, you do this first. And it's just a balm, kind of like if you've ever seen me do the Elemis balm, that it's hard. Has a little paddle on top. It's hard, and then you put your hand down into it and it just kind of melts. Well, this one you don't, you use the paddle, but it just kind of melts into your skin, but it's just real firm. I mean, it's just hard. But when you put it in your hand, the warmth of your hand makes it really nice. Smells very nice. Smells kind of spa-like. So while this isn't perfect for me, people love it. And it's the Pharmacy Green Clean. They say it is a cleansing balm with super greens blend. A gentle yet effective cleansing balm that effortlessly melts away makeup. It's gonna be a great reading day. SPFs, excess oil, and impurities without residue or stripping. Gently massage onto dry skin. For eye makeup removal, apply to closed eyes. So you can even use this. How many things do you use on your face that say, don't get it near your eyes? This says, go ahead, use it on your eyes. Just close your eyes first. Reasonable. Rinse with warm water or wipe off with damp washcloth. Follow up with your favorite Pharmacy cleanser. And then of course use whatever cleanser you want. But it's a great makeup remover, first cleanse, however you want to look at it. If you have ultra dry skin, as your only cleanse, you can use that and it leaves you kind of dewy. Your call. All right, well, since I'm telling you the other choices in each category, let's go ahead and go by choice. So in choice number 2, I chose the Ilia Liquid Powder Chromatic Eye Tint. That is what that looks like. The other choices were the Olaplex number 6 Bond Smoother or the Olaplex Volumizing Blow Dry Mist. And you guys know, you know, I do love a hair product. But I also like Ilia a whole lot. Almost all of their products, and they tend to be a clean company. I'm trying to use more clean and cream products. Some days when I don't feel like doing a full face of makeup, if I'm not coming up here to do a video, I like just to have a nice little single color that I can put on my eyelid, give it some pop, cover up any darkness that I have, because I do tend to have kind of vein darkening on my upper eyelid. I like that this covers up, camouflages any of those colors. This color is, did you see? It is beautiful. It's a little bit lighter and a little shinier than it's showing there, but I'm gonna show it to you. Actually, let's see what this says about it. Easy on the eyes, glides on like a cream, dries like a powder. This water-based eyeshadow transforms into a weightless wash of color that resists creasing and smudging. I am really, really interested in trying this. So when we take it out, okay, so it looks wet. Can you see how it's kind of doing a whipped type thing up top? Can we put it on my hand so we can both see it? So yes, it goes on wet. It made me wonder there for a second. Oh, that's a pretty color. It's kind of coppery. That is gorgeous. I like that a lot. It felt really creamy, but it would. Let's see how it blends out with just my finger. I'm not sure. This is one of those things you've got to kind of play with. Oh, it does start feeling like a powder. Oh, I like that. But it didn't give up its sheen. I like that a lot. I will definitely be using this. Very excited to try it. We'll see how it wears, but it looks fantastic on my skin. I hope that the sheen of that is coming across. I love the color. I'm very excited to try this. I'm trying to get away from, like today, you can probably not even tell, but I have on 4 colors. I have on my base, my crease, I do the outer edge, and then on the inside with a shinier one. I don't want to go through that on days where I'm going to the grocery store or not going to see a soul, but I like to play with makeup. And this is a fun way to do it. So I am very happy with that choice. Actually, let's put these back behind me. So again, your choices were that or a couple of Olaplex products. So both great choices. Okay, next out, I have another Ilia product, but that is what it looks like. It is the Color Haze Multi-Use Pigment. Your other choice was a Kula LLC Do Good Face Serum. So I chose this because I do love makeup. We get a lot of skincare in our, did I tell you the color of that? I'm seeing the color of this. We get a lot of skincare in our boxes, so when makeup is a choice, I almost always make it. This is Waking Up. I don't remember telling you the color of this though. This is Mythic. So if that is a color, I will link everything down below, but if that's a color that you like, that is Mythic. And again, this one is Waking Up. And this is a color haze, so I suspect it's going to be for eyes and lips. That is what it looks like. I feel like we've had one of these in another box. Actually, that would be, it's not upside down. This says pig, that's French. I was like, why can't I make that work? Wow, my eyes are getting bag. It was in the French, it's fine. One product, endless uses. A clean, cream-based formula that is unique for cheek and lip. Blend it out to a soft wash of color or build it to intensify for a bolder payoff. This soft, whipped, multi-use formula starts out as a satin and transforms to a comfortable, modern matte. Jojoba and linseed oil condition and soften. When we open it up, oh, it's got one of those fun metal-y looking tops. Let's put just a little bit on my hand. I want to squeeze it enough that I get some. Okay, I was gonna say I want to squeeze it enough that I get some, but not that it shoots out. That is what it looks like before we blend it out at all. Looks like it's gonna be a great color. Actually, it looks like to do a face, it goes really well. They complement each other really well. Oh, that's pretty. It's a little on the warm side for me. I lean a little cream. It's this one. I lean a little pinker, not creamier, pinker than that, but I will still play with it. That is very, very pretty and definitely complimentary. Almost like they know what they were doing. So when I blended it out, it got rid of that, I don't like the word, I have to use it, that moist feel, or there's no tacky feel left behind. You know, sometimes with creams and things like this, there are products I would never choose to use on my cheeks because they stay tacky, for lack of a better. This is not. This is completely, I think it's going to completely dry down. So that is what that looks like. Very, very happy with that. And also because it's Ilia, because they are a really clean brand. So very happy to try that too. And I love that my choices included makeup. Choice number 4. I'm very happy about this. I kind of wish I'd remembered to come lipless because I could have shown it to you guys. That said, I have this already and I'm only about halfway through it. So I got it for the future because it's Merit, and we have been talking a lot, just low-key talking a lot about Merit on the channel. I use a full face of Merit. Except for my eyeshadow, I'm a full face of Merit. It is my favorite, and I love their lippies. This isn't one of them. I do stray. I use a lot of different lippies. But we got this. This was one that was in a couple of boxes ago, one of our FabFitFun choices. What is it, Catherine? Okay, calm down. It is the signature lip, and I have it in Maison, which is the exact same color that I chose when we did it in our boxes. And I love this lipstick. It runs a little matte, so if you don't like a matte lip, it does run a little matte, but I love it because it goes on, it stays in place really well for a dark matte. I love the way it looks. I love the taking it out of my purse, and it's just so, it's lovely. I'll show you guys the color. It's beautiful. I'll go ahead and do this because I'll be using it soon enough. It is dark enough. That looks terrible on my hands. It's beautiful. It's very much like the color I have on. It is dark enough, but if you just do one swipe, it's not too dark, but it is a dark color. I just love the Merit products. So when there was a choice, I wasn't not gonna get it. The other choices were a Bondi Boost Pink Himalayan Sea Salt Scalp Scrub. I've said that like 14 times now. It's a tongue twister. Sea Salt Scalp Scrub. Nailed it. And the other choice was a Haus Labs Clear Cut Liquid Eyeliner. I like liquid eyeliners. I don't use them as much as I think. I think they're gonna become my new thing. I'm like, this is the season. I'm gonna try liquid eyeliners. I'm gonna do a lovely cat's eye. All the words one tells oneself. And then I remember two things. A, after doing it, I have very small eye space. So the minute I put any amount of eyeliner on there, my whole lid space just disappears. And B, I'm old. Okay, maybe not old, but older. And my eyes leak a little bit. You know, this eye is always tearing up, but I have a hooded eye. I have all of the reasons that they give you that a cat's eye might not work for you. And yet, periodically, I say, you know what I want? A cat's eye. Can't do it. Anyway, that's a long way to say, I didn't pick the eyeliner. I chose the Merit Lippy. It is a color that I have, that I use. No regrets. I will set this aside, and when that one runs out, I will have another one, or I can have one inside and one in my purse. Also a good choice. That is my FabFitFun Beauty Edit Box. It is a monthly box. It is $29.99. You make your choice for each of your categories. They usually give you 3. In the last one, I think in a couple of them, we had 4 choices. But let's just say 3. They give you 3 choices. You pick the one that suits you best. I will put a price here. It will tell you the total value of this $29.99 box. But what I love about it is those are all active products from good brands. It's not like they're out of date, couldn't sell colors from brands that nobody's really going to Sephora and buying. For sure, these are brands people are going to Sephora and buying. I have bought all 3 brands within the last couple of months personally, and my daughter loves one, I love the other, and I'm happy to try. For all I know, these Iliads are going to become my fave. So anyway, I'm just very happy with this box. You do not have to be a I am a FabFitFun partner though, and I'm going to put a link. I should have said that at the beginning. I purchased this box on my own. It has nothing technically to do with my FabFitFun partnership, but I will put a link down below if you would like to go over and check this out. And that is technically an affiliate link through ShopMy, but still an affiliate link. I want you guys to know that. Okay, but this is just a box I buy. Anyway, I feel like that one went off the rails a little bit, but if you're still here, thank you so much for being with me. I'm enjoying this box. I'm enjoying it a lot. I'm happy to have all of these things. I'm happy to have that pharmacy to pass along to my daughter. I could set it aside and save it for her Christmas present this year, but I will never do that. That's just, she'll probably see the video and she'll know. Right now she's probably like, are you like that? Anyway, it's fine. I think I might have spring fever. We got that taste of warmth, and then it snowed, and then it got cold. And now we're all back inside, cabin fevered, but we've had that taste of warm, and I would like it to come back, please. I hope you're having warm where you are, or at least you have warm on the horizon of your 7-day forecast. That's what I wish for you today. Thank you so much for taking the time to be here again. I will link everything and the FabFitFun Beauty Edit Box down below if you have any interest in checking it out. If you have any questions, just let me know. If you're new to the channel, I hope you will consider subscribing. Give us a thumbs up, hit the hype, hit the bell so you'll get notifications of when my videos come out. All the things. Any of them you do help us out, and we appreciate all of them. Thank you guys so much for being here. Have a great evening.